Today we are going to the Alabama Wildlife Center in Oak Mountain State Park. It is Alabama's oldest and largest wildlife rehabilitation facility, dedicated to the rescue, rehabilitation, and release of native wild birds throughout the state. This is Shelby the bald eagle. She lives here because she was hit by a car, causing her permanent blindness in her left eye. Oh wow, look at how regal she is. She spends her days as an educational ambassador for the center. Great work, Shelby. Let's hike down to the treetop trail where other permanently injured birds of prey reside. These birds' injuries have affected their ability to survive in the wild independently, so the Wildlife Center takes care of them here. What a cool trip! Thanks for coming along and learning. See you next time. Don't forget to stay legendary.